Hi guys! Welcome again sa ating Let's Do QuickBooks tutorial. So for today's video guys, ang topic natin is regarding to withdrawal and salaries. So for that one, a friendly reminder lang guys regarding sa difference ng salaries or ng owner's salaries tsaka ng owner's withdrawal. Magkaiba to guys ha. Owner's salary, nire-record siya as expenses, while the owner's withdrawal, nire-record natin siya as withdrawal or binabawas siya sa equity. So, for us to do that, as you can see dito sa transaction ni client, meron siyang owner's withdrawal na 6,000 pesos. So, para magawa natin yan, hanapin muna natin yung 3,000. Okay. Dun sa mga previous video natin, 'di ba meron tayong ginawa na owner's contribution naman. Ngayon naman, gagawin natin is owner's withdrawal. Okay. As you can see, may naka-indicate dito na internet banking transfer. Then, the account number is 3683. Pero kung makikita nyo, wala tayong account number na 3683. So, ibig sabihin, unfamiliar tayo. Since sa end ko, meron naman akong SOA report and naka-indicate naman doon na owner's withdrawal siya, puwede ko na siyang i-process agad-agad. Pero on your end, halimbawa meron na kayong client, tapos hindi kayo familiar sa transaction. So, you can do query sheet para isend nyo kay client, okay? So, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-record ang owner's withdrawal. So, for that one, click natin 'to, then categorize. So, may owner's withdrawal na ba tayo? Okay, as you can see, meron na tayong owner's withdrawal. Pero hindi dapat siya expense, dapat equity. So, ang gagawin natin, add new account tayo. Magkakaroon to ng duplicate, pero edit natin. Owner's withdrawal. So, hanapin natin si equity. Owner's equity. Detail type niya, owner's equity pa rin. So, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng ano rito. So, gagawin natin dyan mamaya guys is, sige, ano muna natin? Owner's withdrawal. Then save. Okay. Yung kanina 'di ba may quit sa ibabaw. Okay, so save natin siya. So ito na tayo, owner's withdrawal, then add lang natin siya, guys. Then yung isang ano natin, guys, inactive natin 'yun, guys. Para hindi kayo magulo. Tandaan nyo guys ha, pag owner's withdrawal, sa equity siya. Hindi siya sa expense. Okay, then make inactive. Yes, make inactive. Then, balik tayo dito sa transactions. So, as I mentioned earlier, meron tayong salaries. Okay. Meron daw tayong 3,000 na owner salary. And as you can see, meron din siyang bank transfer sa different account. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung 1,000. Okay. Ito yung tatlo. Meron daw spent na 3,000, tatlong 1,000, and different account or account number yung nandito. So, para i-record siya guys, as salaries, click nyo lang to guys. And then, owner's withdrawal, no. Hanapin natin si salary. Okay, this will be owner salary expense, then add. Okay, ganun lang mag-record ng expenses. Same lang din to sa ibang transaction guys, pero bigyan ko rin kayo ng idea, okay? Then ito, click mo na to, edit, type of transaction, expenses or expense, then account, salary, or wage kung merong wage sa inyo guys. Then apply and accept. Okay, ganun lang din mag-record ng maramihan guys. Kiklik nyo lang lahat, then edit, then piliin nyo lang yung transaction kung transfer or expense, then the account number or the account. Okay? So, yun lang sa ngayon guys, and see you again sa ating mga susunod na video. Thank you!